Hey survivors! So today is my channel's 2-year anniversary. Um, so I decided that I should do like a little video for the thing. I didn't do one last year, so yeah. Um, anyway, so as you saw from the title, it's water bottle wormhole, which is what that basically means is it Wh- Today, I'm going to be showing a little experiment that I thought of for a hypothesis of like the dangers of wormhole traveling. Okay, so right here I have an empty water bottle. Yeah, and I also have a full water bottle. Uh, so yeah. Um, so pretend this is right now, um, space and time, like like one point from another like this. Okay, so this distance seems pretty far from this from like a little bit of a good standpoint. Now for the next part, I apologize for the loud noise that will come. Let me just show what I'm doing. And yeah, now you see that there's a little bit of now like a little bit of like a little bit closer distance now that it has been raveled. This is what would be starting for a wormhole. And now let me just do a little bit of this. That pop was not what I was intending, but this would be a wormhole that would lead to one part to the other. Now, actually, that actually helped my point. That could actually okay. Okay, but first, my first point was that look, now as you could see, the water bottle with the wormhole being like probably like stopped or something is now kind of like crumpled and stuff. This would be how space the in between part would be like if you travel from not a black hole, a wormhole. I mean, um, so um, this would disrupt space and time and stuff. Now, with that, I guess like jump. I guess that could all like I said, that could be the time stuff. Like you could and that could completely like destroy like both points and possibly mess up the timeline in some way. Um, and yeah. Um, Now for the full water bottle, this would be these points would actually be different. This would be if there were actual like objects in the way. This one would be just like air. So like from I don't know, my state California to North Carolina, I guess. That it depends if you're in the air and there's nothing else in the way. That then it would be easy to bring a wormhole from there to North Carolina. Now, most of the time it would be with something in the way, like at least something. Now, let me show you how it would be like if you try to make a wormhole from one place to another. Look, you can barely do any of that. This is really strong for uh, for trying to make a wormhole. So, this means that if we find a way to make wormholes and actually transport stuff like teleport or something with it, uh, we have to try to find a way to like refill it so we don't make anything like get damaged, like you see here. So I would say we should try to put some mass in in between the points that that have been tampered with, so we could bring them there and there. So um, yeah, that's basically water ball wormhole hypothesis. Um, I didn't have time to think of like trial research stuff because I have school and stuff. Finals are coming up. Um, but anyways, yeah, yeah. Comment down below what you think about this. Like if you think it's if I'm right, if I'm wrong. Um, also, anyways, now time to wrap it up. Okay, so please, so thank you all for doing this. I mean, thank you all for being with the 2 year gap and stuff. And now, um, please like the video, um, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and tell everyone you know, and their relatives, 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 to go on and on to join the survivors. Thank you all for watching this video, and